Multiplying decimals with number chips. This is a digital lesson, and this one is basketball themed. So the lesson starts with explaining to students how to shift the decimal point when they're multiplying decimals. And it gives them a couple of examples. So here's an example where we move the decimal point one place to the right. And then when we multiply as if they were whole numbers. And then we're going to move that decimal point one place back to the left in our answer. And then here's an example where we're moving decimal point two places to the right and then two places back to the left in our answer. So students are going to start on slide 5. They're going to be moving these number chips, and every slide has every number the students need. So that helps reduce the frustration. So here, the first thing they're asked to do is to determine on each row how many places they're moving that decimal point to the right. So the top row, they're just going to type in a 2, and the second row a 1. And that means we've moved a total of 3 places to the right. Now we're going to multiply as if they were whole numbers. 7 times 3 is 21. So they're going to click and hold on the edge of the 1, move it into place in the correct circle. We're going to carry a 2, so 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. They move the 7, carry a 1, so we get 3 times 6 is 18, add 1 is 19. Now the last thing they have to do is they have to move this decimal point. So here we can see that we moved it a total of 3 places to the right. So now we're going to start here and we're going to move it back 3 places to the left. And then we have our answer. Now you notice on each of these slides, there is a letter and a yellow heart. Students are going to use this on the very last slide to solve a basketball riddle, and they're going to match that letter to their answer. Now, the next problem is a little bit more difficult. They're moving here 2 places to the right in the top row, 2 places to the right in the second row, which is a total of 4 places to the right. They're going to move their number chips to do the multiplication. And then they can see that they've moved that decimal point 4 places to the right. In their answer, they're going to have to move it back 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here they get their answer. So these problems get a little bit more difficult as they go. They get lots of practice. And then when they get down to that very last slide, here are all the answers from the previous slide. So all they have to do is go back, find these answers on the slide, and then type in the letter that's in the yellow heart. If they've done these all correctly, it will solve the riddle, what does a basketball player do when he loses his eyesight? So that is the digital lesson, multiplying decimals with number chips, basketball themed.